the Thinking About You hook. Hey, Stacy, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. You and I are connected through the Weston Chamber of Commerce. Hey, I was thinking about you today, and there is something going on that I wanted to make sure you were aware of. Could you give me a call on my mobile, 720-660-3202? There's something going on that I wanted to make sure you were aware of. Hey, you're losing deals right now, and you don't even know why, and that should scare you. I get it. You think you're saying the right things. You think you're doing everything by the book, but deals are slipping through your fingers. Why? Because nobody ever taught you the right way to sell. I'm Matt Easton, and at Easton University, I'll show you exactly what to say, exactly what to do, and exactly how to close more deals fast. You're going to get access to the Easton University Learning Portal. It's going to show you everything you need to know to double your sales within 30 days. But it doesn't stop there. I'm going to work with you live twice a week to make sure you hit your goals. I'm going to be there with you every single step of the way. Stop guessing and start closing. Click the link here and take control of your sales career right now.